Stitches should sit on the needle so that the right-hand loop of the stitch comes over the front of the needle. If I loosen this first stitch, you can clearly see that the right-hand side sits higher than the left-hand side. This makes this stitch easy to knit. And when it's knitted, it sits comfortably and is not twisted. This next stitch along has been twisted. This may have happened because I've dropped stitches and then picked them up, accidentally twisting them and putting the needle through in the wrong direction. In order to untwist them, slip it onto the right-hand needle and then insert the left-hand needle to correct the twist. And now you can see that that has been corrected and I can knit it. The same has happened here. This is a twisted and tight stitch. So I will slip it from one needle to the next, look to see how to untwist it, and then check before knitting. The next stitch has a different sort of twist, but it's still not right because the front leg is sitting lower than the back leg of the stitch. So again, I'm going to correct that by slipping it onto the other needle, scooping it up like this, and now I can knit it. And again, scoop it onto that needle and correct it, so that now that leg of the stitch is sitting higher than the one at the back, and I can knit it.